Welcome back, everyone. I just took a shower and thought, oh, I better do this real quick. It is day 7 of Countdown to Summer. And so, yeah, let's get to it. Today is Jeans, and it says, number 7, since you're sweet, must be something good to eat. Let's see. It is, ooh, gotta like those Godiva pearls, dark chocolate goodness, in petite size. Perfect. These are good. I've had these before. They're so good. Thank you, Auntie. I'm excited. Countdown to summer. And to top it off, let's go to the blessing cards and see what today's blessing brings us. Again, don't forget, this is a collab with Pinkee Jean, my Aunt Jean, and Kel's Maljoy, or Kel's Kitchen, Kelly. And so make sure you go down below to the link and click on theirs. See what they got today. Day 7. And yeah, I know it looks super cute with wet hair right now, but let's get to the good stuff. The blessings. All right, let's see what it is today. Today's blessing says, God has a plan. Trust him. Very good. There it is. God has a plan. Trust him. Yep, there I am. Maybe. Focus, focus. So that was a good one. I like that one. That was a good little message, little blessing card. That goes along with some of the other times that I've always talked about it, where, you know, he has a plan. It may not always be what you think or what you want, but he has a plan for you. And you can either take his path, or you can sometimes take that long way around to get to where he wants you to. So just put your trust and faith in him. He's got you. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to come back tomorrow and go down below. Till next time. Bye.